Hi, welcome to the Mathemagic channel. Today we look at place value. If you have trouble with millions, trillions, thousands, I got you. So today's topic is place value. So the big idea with place value is that we're working in blocks of three. So if you look at 1,000 here, 1,000 has 3 zeros behind it. And then when we look at a million, well, a million has 6 zeros behind it. And then a billion has 9 zeros behind it. And the next one after that is trillion. Trillion will have 12 zeros behind it. It's a huge number. So if we look at the ones and how things work, so if we start in the ones, and if you follow my little blue cursor, we start with the ones, which we know very well. We've learned that since we were little kids. And then there's the tens, and then there's the hundreds. So 10 ones is the tens, and then 10 tens is 100. And then we don't say 10 hundreds. We go to the next block, which is in blue here, and is the block of thousands. So once you pass the ones, the tens, and the hundreds of any block, you go to the next block. So in the thousands, you have 1,000, which is, 1 through 9 here. And then you pass to the next block, which is the 10,000s. And then you have the next block, which is the 100,000s. And there's no block of 1,000 thousands that doesn't exist. We don't say 1,000 thousands. We say millions. And in the millions, you repeat it. You've got the units for the millions, the 1 millions, the 5 millions, the 6 millions. And if you pass 10, you have to go to the 10 millions. And if you pass 100, then you got to go to the 100 millions. And you guessed it. If you pass 1,000, then we don't say 1,000 millions. We say a billion. And then you have your decimals here, which go backwards. The tenths with a TH, it's very small. You can't see it very well here. The hundredths with a TH and the thousandths with a TH. So those are the numbers written backwards, but we'll get to that in a minute. So the thousands have 3 zeros. There is 1,000, no hundreds, no tens, no units. There's just 1,000 and a bunch of zeros. A million has 6 zeros. So in a million, there's no 100,000s, there's no 10,000s, no thousands, no hundreds, no tens, no units. And billions have 9 zeros. So you're going in packs of 3 like that, right? And so a billion is 1,000 millions. That's what it is. So we move from one group to the next each time you get to 1,000 units. And that's the big idea here. So if we look at this number, here's a visual breakdown of place value. You have the number in purple, which is the thousands, and then there's a comma. Usually we put a comma between every packet of 3. So every time you have a packet of 3, you put a comma to say, I know that this is a packet of 3. And then here you have the hundreds, which is the brownish 7 here, and the tens in blue and the ones in green. And this is a packet of 3. So we've completed our packet of 3 with the ones, the tens, the hundreds. And then after that, we have a comma. And then we say, well, this is the thousands. And then we could keep going. Then there's a decimal point. And then the decimal point indicates that we're going to go to numbers which are smaller than 1. So for example, 0.9, the 9 is in the tenths. That's a number that's smaller than 1. And then you have the hundreds with a TH and the thousands with a TH as well. So these are all numbers which are smaller than 1 here. So if you ever get confused about what a thousandth with a TH means, here's a quick tip for you. It's 1,000 written backwards. That's right. If you look at 1,000 written backwards, that's 1,000th. If you look at 100 written backwards, it's 100th. And a tenth written backward is the same. And so a millionth written backwards, you'll need to put 6 zeros, including the 0 that's before the decimal here, and then another 5 zeros, and then you would have a millionth, and then you need to put the 1 at the end. So that's a quick tip for you. So if we practice a little bit, just to make sure that we really get this, imagine you have $154.37. The 1 is in the hundreds place, and actually that's worth $100. The 5 is in the tens place and is worth $50. Then you have a 4, which is in the ones place, and that's $4. And then now we go after the decimals. The 3 is in the tenths place and is worth 30 cents. And the 7 is in the hundreds place and is worth 7 cents. So I hope this makes sense to you. Not talking about cents, but number sense. All right, well, are you ready to practice? How about you take a piece of paper and you try and write this number out? So I'll give you a countdown whenever you're ready. And you have to write this number down. I'll say it for you. 4,257. Try it out. And so if you've managed to write 4 in the thousands, then there should be a 4 with a comma behind it. And then 257, well, there's a place value for everybody here. So I guess this isn't too difficult, right? So 200, the 2 is in the hundreds, 50, well, the 5 is in the tens, and then 7. Okay, let's try something a little bit harder. Again, on a piece of paper first, and then watch the solution. You get 5 seconds, so it's not too bad. 5,200,041. Okay, off you go. Okay, so if you've got it, this is pretty tricky. The 5 million means you've got a 5, and then you've got 6 digits behind it, because it's 5 comma and then 6 digits. So we're going to write 5 first, and then this comma here. 200,000. So if we think about the block of the 100,000s, there's no 10,000s, there's no 1,000s, there's only 2 in the 100,000s place. So we need to put the 2 first, and then 0, 0, because there's no 10,000s, no 5,000s, no 1,000s. And then 41. Well, if we think about how many hundreds we don't have any hundreds, so we're going to have to say 0 in the hundreds place. And then 41, well, that's just 41, so that's okay. I hope you managed to do that one. That was tricky. All right, let's try one more. Let's see. Again, do it on paper. You get 5 seconds. Maybe 7 seconds. Okay, try it out. All right, so 2 billion. That means it's a 2, and there's going to be 9 digits behind it. Whatever you do after that 2, there has to be 9 digits behind it. And then 455 million, well, the block of millions is right after that block of billions. So I expect a 2, and then a comma, and then 455. So that's that number right here. And then after millions, we need 6 digits. So we're not finished. 4,005. So if we think about the block of the thousands, there's no 100,000, there's no 10,000, but there is 4 in the thousands place. So you need 0, 0, and then the 4. And then when we get to the last block, which is hundreds and tens and ones, well, there's only 5 in the ones. So there's nothing in the hundreds place, nothing in the tens place, and just a 5 at the end. So if you've managed to do this question properly, you are a master of place value. Well done. Thank you for watching today's video. I hope this was helpful to you. Please make sure to like and subscribe to the Mathemagic channel, and I shall see you on the next one. Bye-bye.